The targets were in that classroom, but as I said earlier, this could be connected to a bullying incident. Now, very important po dito yung sinabi natin na yung monitoring system ng student behavioral behavior, because upon verification of the social media account of one of the suspects, ay may nakita po tayong mga pinost na violent videos, mga pertaining to guns, video of him firing a gun. So ito ay very obviously red flags. If the school authorities or anybody, we're not putting blame on anybody, but if anybody was able to monitor itong mga red flags na to, this could have been prevented.
Sir, doon lang sa may-ari ng baril, as you said, pamangkin yung isang suspect ng isang police, saan niya inilagay yung baril niya? Ba't nakuha ng mga bata?
Ito pa po ang sinecheck natin, and if proven that they were remiss in the custody and safekeeping of their firearms, they will be charged accordingly.